Did you know that a simple ingredient in your kitchen can transform your health? It's not some exotic herb or a pricey supplement, but something you likely use every day in baking. That's right, we're talking about baking soda. This humble ingredient is a powerhouse of health benefits, and today, we're going to unlock its secrets. Welcome to Holistic Wellness Realm, where we explore the amazing benefits of everyday ingredients. Today, we're diving into the wonders of baking soda. From oral health to skincare and even home remedies, baking soda's versatility is truly remarkable. Throughout this video, we'll uncover the science behind these benefits and provide you with practical tips on how to incorporate baking soda into your daily routine. So, if you're ready to embrace a more natural and holistic approach to your well-being, stick around. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together and unlock the full potential of baking soda for a healthier, happier you. When it comes to oral health, we often think of minty toothpaste and strong mouthwashes. These products are marketed as the ultimate solutions for keeping our teeth clean and our breath fresh. They come in various flavors and promise to fight cavities, whiten teeth, and eliminate bad breath. But have you ever wondered if there might be a simpler, more natural alternative? Something that doesn't come with a long list of ingredients you can't pronounce? But what if I told you that a simple ingredient like baking soda could be just as effective, if not more so? Yes, that humble box of baking soda sitting in your pantry can do wonders for your oral health. It's not just for baking or deodorizing your fridge. It has powerful properties that can enhance your dental hygiene routine. That's right, baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural wonder for your pearly whites. It's been used for centuries for its cleaning and deodorizing properties. But how exactly does it work when it comes to oral health? Let's dive deeper into the science behind this versatile compound. Baking soda's magic lies in its alkaline nature. This means it has a high pH level, which is the opposite of acidic. When you use baking soda in your oral care routine, it helps to neutralize the acids in your mouth. These acids are produced by bacteria that feed on the sugars in the food you eat. Over time, these acids can erode your tooth enamel, leading to cavities and other dental issues. You see, the bacteria in our mouths thrive in an acidic environment, leading to plaque buildup, bad breath, and even cavities. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth and gums. If not removed regularly, it can harden into tartar, which can only be removed by a dentist. Bad breath, or halitosis, is another common issue caused by these bacteria. They produce sulfur compounds that give off an unpleasant odor. Baking soda effectively neutralizes this acidity, creating an environment that's less hospitable to these harmful bacteria. By maintaining a more neutral pH in your mouth, baking soda helps to prevent the formation of plaque and tartar. It also reduces the risk of cavities and keeps your breath smelling fresh. But how do you incorporate baking soda into your oral care routine? But the benefits don't stop there. Baking soda is also known for its mild abrasive properties. This means it can gently scrub away surface stains on your teeth without being too harsh. Many commercial toothpastes contain baking soda for this very reason. It's a natural and effective way to achieve a brighter smile without resorting to chemical-laden whitening products. Baking soda also acts as a gentle abrasive, helping to remove surface stains from teeth and leaving you with a brighter smile. Over time, our teeth can become stained from foods and drinks like coffee, tea, and red wine. Smoking can also cause discoloration. Regular use of baking soda can help to lift these stains and restore the natural whiteness of your teeth. Plus, its deodorizing properties combat bad breath, ensuring your breath stays fresh throughout the day. Baking soda neutralizes the odors caused by bacteria in your mouth, giving you long-lasting freshness. You can use it as a mouth rinse by dissolving a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Swish it around your mouth for a minute or two, then spit it out. This simple rinse can help to keep your breath smelling clean and pleasant. So next time you're looking for a natural way to boost your oral hygiene, look no further than baking soda. It's a versatile and affordable option that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. Whether you use it as a toothpaste, a mouth rinse, or a whitening treatment, baking soda offers numerous benefits for your oral health. It's a cost-effective and powerful alternative to conventional products, promoting a healthy and radiant smile naturally. With baking soda, you can achieve excellent oral health without the need for expensive and chemical-laden products. Give it a try and experience the natural benefits for yourself. Your teeth and gums will thank you. We've all experienced that uncomfortable burning sensation in our chest or upper abdomen after a particularly heavy meal. It's a feeling that can range from mildly annoying to downright painful, and it often strikes at the most inconvenient times. Whether it's after indulging in a rich, decadent dessert or enjoying a spicy, flavorful dish, the discomfort can be quite distressing. This discomfort, often accompanied by bloating and nausea, is a common ailment known as indigestion or heartburn. Indigestion, also referred to as dyspepsia, is a term that encompasses a variety of digestive issues. It can manifest as a feeling of fullness during or after a meal, a burning sensation in the upper abdomen, or even nausea and belching. Heartburn, on the other hand, specifically refers to the burning pain or discomfort that occurs when stomach acid travels up into the esophagus. Indigestion occurs when our stomach acid backs up into the esophagus, the tube that connects our mouth to our stomach. This backflow of acid is what causes the characteristic burning sensation associated with heartburn. The esophagus is not equipped to handle the harsh acidity of stomach contents, which is why this condition can be so uncomfortable. This happens when the valve at the bottom of the esophagus, known as the lower esophageal sphincter, doesn't close properly, allowing stomach acid to escape. The lower esophageal sphincter acts as a gatekeeper, opening to allow food and liquid to enter the stomach and closing to prevent stomach contents from flowing back into the esophagus. When this valve is weakened or relaxes inappropriately, it can lead to acid reflux and the subsequent symptoms of heartburn. Several factors can contribute to indigestion, including overeating, consuming fatty or spicy foods, smoking, stress, and even certain medications. Overeating can put excessive pressure on the stomach, causing the lower esophageal sphincter to malfunction. Fatty and spicy foods can irritate the stomach lining and increase acid production. Smoking weakens the lower esophageal sphincter, while stress can exacerbate digestive issues by affecting the body's natural processes. Additionally, some medications such as anti-inflammatory drugs and certain antibiotics can irritate the stomach lining and contribute to indigestion. While occasional indigestion is usually nothing to worry about, frequent episodes can significantly impact our quality of life. Chronic indigestion can lead to persistent discomfort, disrupt daily activities, and even affect our mental well-being. It's important to address the underlying causes and find effective ways to manage and prevent these symptoms to maintain a healthy and comfortable lifestyle. Thankfully, there are several ways to manage and prevent indigestion, and one of the simplest and most effective remedies can be found right in your kitchen cabinet: baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile household item that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It's a natural and affordable solution that can provide quick relief from the discomfort of indigestion and heartburn. Baking soda, with its remarkable alkaline properties, acts as a natural antacid, effectively neutralizing the excess stomach acid that causes heartburn and indigestion. When dissolved in water, baking soda creates an alkaline solution that can help balance the pH levels in the stomach. This neutralization process can provide rapid relief from the burning sensation and discomfort associated with acid reflux. When baking soda reacts with stomach acid, it produces carbon dioxide gas, which helps to neutralize the acidity and provide quick relief from that burning sensation. The reaction between baking soda and stomach acid creates a fizzy, effervescent effect that can help soothe the digestive tract and alleviate symptoms. This reaction not only neutralizes the acid, but also helps to expel gas, reducing bloating and discomfort. Unlike many over-the-counter antacids that only provide temporary relief, baking soda addresses the root cause of the problem by neutralizing the excess acid. Over-the-counter antacids often work by coating the stomach lining or reducing acid production, but they may not provide long-lasting relief. Baking soda, on the other hand, directly neutralizes the acid, offering a more effective and immediate solution for occasional indigestion and heartburn. This makes it a safe and effective solution for occasional indigestion and heartburn. However, it's important to use baking soda in moderation and follow the recommended dosage to avoid potential side effects. Overuse of baking soda can lead to an imbalance in electrolytes and other health issues, so it's crucial to use it responsibly. However, it's important to note that baking soda is not a long-term solution for chronic indigestion or heartburn. If you find yourself relying on baking soda frequently, it may be a sign of an underlying issue that needs to be addressed. Chronic indigestion and heartburn can be symptoms of more serious conditions, such as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, or peptic ulcers, which require medical attention and proper treatment. If you experience frequent episodes, it's crucial to consult your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. A healthcare professional can help diagnose the cause of your symptoms and recommend appropriate treatments or lifestyle changes to manage your condition effectively. It's always best to seek medical advice if you're unsure about the cause or severity of your symptoms. Let's move on to the next section, where we'll explore a simple and effective recipe for a baking soda drink to alleviate indigestion. This easy-to-make solution can provide quick relief and help you get back to enjoying your day without the discomfort of indigestion. Stay tuned as we guide you through the steps to prepare this natural remedy. Baking soda, my friends, is a true multitasker, especially when it comes to skincare. This humble kitchen staple has been a secret weapon for many beauty enthusiasts around the world. From exfoliating dead skin cells to soothing insect bites, baking soda can do it all. But how exactly does it work, and how can you incorporate it into your skincare routine? Let's dive deeper into the wonders of baking soda for your skin. One of its most remarkable benefits lies in its gentle exfoliating properties. Exfoliation is a crucial step in any skincare routine, as it helps to remove dead skin cells that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Baking soda, with its fine, gritty texture, is perfect for this job. You see, baking soda is mildly abrasive, which means it can help remove dead skin cells without being too harsh on your delicate skin. This makes it an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin who might find other exfoliants too irritating. The fine particles of baking soda gently buff away the dead skin, revealing the fresh, new skin underneath. This gentle buffing action can leave your skin feeling softer, smoother, and more radiant. Imagine the feeling of running your fingers over your face and feeling nothing but smooth, supple skin. It's a small luxury that can make a big difference in how you feel about your skin. To use baking soda as an exfoliant, simply mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a small amount of water to form a paste. The consistency should be thick enough to stay on your skin, but not so thick that it's difficult to spread. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for an added touch of luxury and fragrance. Gently massage this paste onto your face or body in circular motions for a minute or two, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. The circular motions help to increase blood flow to the skin, which can promote a healthy, glowing complexion. Plus, it's a great way to relax and pamper yourself after a long day. Remember, be gentle, as excessive scrubbing can irritate the skin. It's important to listen to your skin and adjust the pressure as needed. If you have particularly sensitive skin, you might want to start with a patch test to ensure that baking soda is suitable for you. For best results, I recommend using this baking soda exfoliant once or twice a week. Over-exfoliating can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. By sticking to a regular exfoliation schedule, you can maintain a healthy balance and keep your skin looking its best. It's a fantastic natural alternative to harsh chemical exfoliants that can sometimes strip your skin of its natural oils. Baking soda is not only effective but also affordable and easily accessible. You don't need to spend a fortune on fancy skincare products when you have this versatile ingredient right in your kitchen. Now, let's move on to another amazing skincare benefit of baking soda: its ability to soothe insect bites. Baking soda can help to neutralize the pH of the skin, reducing itching and swelling. Simply mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste and apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing off. Stay tuned for more tips on how to use baking soda in your skincare routine. Looking for ways to detox? Let's dive into the wonderful world of baking soda baths. You might be thinking, baking soda in the bath? Really? Trust me, this simple household staple can transform your bath time into a luxurious, detoxifying experience. Detox baths are like a spa day for your body, helping to draw out impurities and toxins that build up over time. They can be especially beneficial after a long day, a strenuous workout, or even when you're feeling under the weather. Baking soda, with its alkaline nature, plays a key role in neutralizing acids and promoting a healthy pH balance in your body. So get ready to pamper yourself and unlock the incredible detoxifying power of baking soda baths. To prepare a baking soda detox bath, start by filling your bathtub with warm water. Add about 1 to 2 cups of baking soda to the water. For an enhanced experience, you can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus. Stir the water to ensure the baking soda is fully dissolved. Then step in and soak for about 20 to 30 minutes. Relax, unwind, and let the baking soda work its magic. After your bath, rinse off with fresh water and pat yourself dry with a soft towel. You'll feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the world. Wow, we've covered so much ground today. From oral health and skincare to detox baths and eco-friendly cleaning, baking soda truly is a versatile and powerful ally for a healthier and happier life. We've only scratched the surface of what this amazing ingredient can do. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Holistic Wellness Realm for more amazing health tips. Try incorporating baking soda into your routine and let us know your experience in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and embracing natural solutions like baking soda is a positive step towards a healthier you and a healthier planet. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.